To our motherly and respected Ma'am Felisa B. Young, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, CESU 6, Mrs. Helen M. Camolino, Principal 1 of Sibalom Central Elementary School, and at the same time, Principal in charge of the District of Sibalom North, Mr. Edwin B. Alcusaba, our humble school principal, honored guests, PTA and barangay officials of Sidu and San Juan, beloved teachers of this school, dear parents, fellow completers, ladies and gentlemen, good day. Virtual graduation is a special celebration of victory that's life-changing for all of us, the completers of batch 2021. This marks the beginning of our journey to the next level of education, knowing that we are already equipped with basic skills needed for life. To all of you who are here with us right now, thank you very much for your love and support, especially to you, our dear parents, who did everything possible for us. We love you so much, and I warmly welcome you all to our virtual graduation ceremony.